Okay, let's get to work on these delicious smash burgers. My recommendation is make the balls smaller because when you go to smash them, they are certainly going to become much wider.
A couple of soft-boiled eggs.
Oh no, don't do it! Uncle Drew, no!
What would a smash burger be without Big Mac imposter sauce, the easy recipe you can find on my YouTube channel? I'm going to start out here by frying up some onions, add in some garlic. I'm going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I've added in some sugar in there. And here come the mushrooms. I find adding the lid helps these cook a little bit faster and get to that caramelization stage that I'm looking for. I'll go ahead and set those aside, and now we can move on to the burgers. All right, I was just being a little cute using my fist to smash those down. I am going to use my spatula and my meat mallet. If you add a piece of parchment paper onto the meat before your spatula, you'll find they don't stick. Go ahead and give these nice smash burgers a turn. Because they are so thin, they should take no more than 60 to 90 seconds per side to cook. We'll go ahead and add in a little bit of our Big Mac imposter sauce right on top, spread that around, and allow it to caramelize. The aromas coming from these delicious smash burgers, you can call them cheeseburgers or hamburgers, whichever you choose, is incredible. I'm going to go ahead and start layering in that cheese and cooked bacon, layer it up with that second patty, and of course, some more cheese, some more bacon, and then some more cheese. You can call this street food or fast food. It's just great food. Once I have everything layered up, I'll go ahead and add in my lid on top, and that way it'll allow all of that cheese to melt. While that cheese is melting, do me a favor. Go ahead and smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. It's right down there below. Even add a comment once you've tried out this delicious recipe. The secret to any burger, of course, is a nice toasty bun. Let's move on to construction time.
Green so it's healthy.
All right, we've layered in the healthy stuff, the tomato and the field greens, and here comes our burger.
Special sauce.
Of course, some more of our special Big Mac imposter sauce. We, of course, can't forget about those nice fried onions and mushrooms. And here comes our soft boiled egg. Don't be shy here to smash that burger. We're going to get messy.
This is going to be fantastic. Let's smash. Let's just squish it down. There's the egg pop. Ooh, it's coming out. Egg pop. Boom! The ultimate smash burger. You got to make this. This is too good. This is too good. I forgot my pickles. That's better.